Yeah, let's begin with lab 4. So, my first task is to create an SNS topic. Okay, let me go into the SNS tab and go into topics. Yeah, because we need to create a topic here. So, go into the topic on the left sidebar and create a topic. Let it be standard and name your topic as srn-name. And do the same for display name also. It's optional, but still let's do it. And yeah, let's create the topic. Let everything remain default. It's just these two things which you need to change and create the topic. Okay, now our topic is created, and now we need to add subscriptions. Select the protocol as email and add one of your email. And then let the other things be at their default and create subscription. Yeah, we need to make two subscriptions for two separate emails, so let this subscription be for that email itself. Okay, now create the subscription. Under topics we can see the subscription, and it says pending confirmation. And now let me go into my mailbox to confirm the subscription. Okay, I got it in the notification tab here. Yeah, now confirm the subscription and do the same for one more of your for any other email. Now let me give one more email and create the subscription. Okay, go into topics, and yeah, again we need to confirm this email too. Okay, the email is confirmed and subscription is confirmed now. So just refresh the tab. Yeah, we get this thing, so we can take a screenshot here and name it 4A. Okay, so our next task is to publish a message for this topic, and the message title should be hello, this is my name from SNS. So let me go to, okay, now I need to go back for this topic and publish a message and enter the subject here. And let the message body be anything. They haven't specified to do anything right there. And let everything else remain default and let it be identical payload for this task. And no need to select anything here. just leave it and create and do and publish the message now. Okay, so the message is published. Now let us go back to our emails and check. Yeah, we have received the email from SNS. Take a screenshot here and name it 4B. And go back to our another email, and even here we have received the email. Take a screenshot again. And yeah, this task is done now. Now let's move on to the next task. We need to make a standard SQS queue. So let's go into SQS in a new tab. And click on create queue. Let the queue be standard and name the queue as your name hyphen queue. And I think the configuration should remain default. No need to change anything here. Let me check in the document once. Yeah, no need to change anything. And let everything else also remain default as it is, and create the queue now. Yeah, the queue is created. Take a screenshot of this page and name it as 4C. Okay, the next thing is to send message with a delay of 10 seconds. So go scroll up and click on send and receive messages. Enter the message body as hello, this is name from SQS. And give it a delay of 10 seconds without fail and send a message. Okay, before that let me check the screenshot what they need. Okay, take a screenshot after polling the message. So now we can just send a message and scroll down and click on poll for messages. And after a slight time delay you get this message appear right here. Now take a screenshot of this again. This is the screenshot required. So yeah. Okay, so 4D screenshot is done. Now okay, delete the message from the queue. Yeah, all this part is not required for screenshot. If you are interested, then go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna show it right now. Yeah, let's come to task 3. Now we have to subscribe the queue for the previously created SNS topic. So let's go into SQS first. Yeah, first let me delete this message. Yeah, the message is perfectly fine. Let me delete it right now and I'll go back to queue. Let me select my queue and subscribe to SNS topic right here and choose the topic which we have just created. So this is my topic and I'm choosing it, and let me click save. Okay, so now we have successfully subscribed for the SNS subscription. Okay, I don't think we need a screenshot for this. Yeah, this is not the screenshot, so no need of taking a screenshot here. Okay, so and now I think we need to send a message to this topic. So coming to Amazon SNS, and click on okay, click on publish message. Give a title for the message, and now we have to click custom payload. Okay, we automatically get a JSON. I think this will be the JSON which they are expecting. Let me try out now. Yeah, because this is the default JSON which was auto generated. And let me publish the message. Okay, the message has been published, and now I need to poll for it. So I'll go back to SQS, and yeah, where do I poll it? Okay, click on send or receive message as we went before, and instead of sending a message, click on poll for messages. Now we get the message which was sent through SNS. Open it, and yeah, this is the screenshot which we need. Take a screenshot and name it as 4e. Okay, 4e.png, and yeah, this is done. Now we need to delete everything to clear up this lab. So go back to the queue and just delete the complete queue. And SQS is done. Now go back to SNS and delete the topic. Yeah, we have cleared out everything, and yeah, you are done for lab 4.